How to change sky on video in CapCut PC. First, import the video clips to the timeline. Make the sky video clip above the main video. Adjust their duration as equal. Select the sky video clip. Go to the basic tab from the right side. Scroll down and find blend option. Change the blend mode from default to darken. Now go to the mask tab. Select add mask and click on horizontal mask. Adjust the position. Increase the feather to 100 to blend the replacement sky more smoothly with the original clip. Now duplicate the video clip below and place the duplicated clip on the top of the sky video clip. Select the duplicated clip and go to the remove background tab from the right side. Click on auto removal. Let's see the preview. So that's how you can change the sky on video in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.